Alright, so Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all of you. So, uh, so we want to present to you about our topic and our project for the economy engineering. So as we know that our country faced the pandemic COVID-19, not even Malaysia, all country all over the world as well as face that pandemic COVID-19, and it's spread out very fast to all over the world. So we want to get this opportunity to present to you about our product that we produce to conserve this pandemic COVID-19. So initially, there are many cases of the coronavirus infections were reported from various places all over the world. So the place to place, and it's very fast spread. So according to the group of experts, so the plastic face shield maybe do better job at protecting against COVID-19 than clothes. So homemade face mask made the face shield easy to produce. Yeah, to produce, and it may be protect against sneeze and cause droplets from an infection of the person, a person who have the coronavirus, COVID, which is COVID-19. So a face shield is an item of the personal protective equipment, which is PPE. So the aims we produce this product of the face shield is to protect the wearers.
My name is Muhammad Hilman bin Karim, CD 107 107. Today I want to present about the project that we made for task 1 and task 2. For the task 1, I have to identify the identification and the procurement of machine involved. So from this picture, we know this is the specification for the machine that we choose. The Intec FB 80,000 machine can produce like 375 units of face shield in one day, and for 1 month this machine can produce like 9,000 units in 1 month. The highest speed for this machine is 750 watt. For the price machine in Malaysia is RM 70,484 and 57 cents. That is the price of this machine in Malaysia. This is the example of face shield that this machine made. From this machine, this is the face shield. It can produce 375 units in one day from this machine. Next, this is the cost estimation for the face shield. This is the formula. CB is the cost of the face shield in RM, Ringgit Malaysia. And AC is the area of face shield, millimeter square, and for HP is the thickness of the face shield. The dimension we choose is for the real in real life. I get it from the internet. The area is 240 multiplied by 240. The thickness is 0.8 millimeter, and after we calculate, we get the value of the cost of the face shield is 24,706.7 cents. This is the cost for making the face.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hazim bin Husni, and my matric number is AD170059. Okay, so today I would like to talk about machine ownership cost, operation and maintenance. For this project, we use Intex FB8000 Pro machine, which is we select this machine because it can produce higher production rate at a low cost. Therefore, it can generate more profit to the company. Okay, next for the loans. For the loans, our company use SME Bank, which is the details of the loan that we take. The name of the loan is Fund for Small and Medium Industry 2. The loan amount that we take RM 1.2 million and the interest is 5% per year. Okay, next for the costing estimation. For the number 1 is the labor cost. We pay for the 2 technician, which is the total of the 2 technician is RM 3,000 per month. The second one is the electric cost. This is constant as we can see the tarif category, unit and current rate. Okay, next, the total electric usage in a day. The total electric usage is 72.885 kilowatt hour. Okay, the amount of electric consumption for a month, 24 days. The total cost electric use per month is RM 880.52 cents. Okay, for the staff salary, we pay for the clerk, production manager, engineer production, accountant and cleaner. The total of the staff salary per year is RM 163,200. Okay, for the operation cost, the annual labor cost is RM 36,000. The sales tax cost is RM 5,000 per year, and the rent is RM 72,000 per year. The annual loan is RM 23,600. Maintenance cost RM 12,000 per year, and the total operation cost is RM 112,600. Okay, for the number 5 is the details of the machine that we use. The name of the machine is Intex FB8000 Pro. The capacity of the machine that can produce the face sheet is approximately 9,000 per month. The power consumption is 750 watt. The machine cost is RM 70,484.57 cents. And the operation cost is RM 112,600. Okay, for the variable cost, as we can see, we use the security window film, plastic band, and the labor. Okay, so for the total price per unit is RM 7 ringgit and 15 cents.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Najmi bin Misgan. I will explain about the product cost and profit analysis. The first one is the estimation of total cost per unit. Estimation for total cost can be calculated with the formula TC equal to FC plus DC. TC is the total cost, FC is the fixed cost, and DC is for variable cost. Estimation of total cost per unit can be obtained simply by dividing total cost with a number of pieces of face shield can be produced in a year. For the fixed cost for 1 year, we use the formula fixed cost equal to operation cost plus with the executive or office salary. After the addition, the value will become the 275 and 800 ringgit. Go to the variable cost for 1 year. The formula is variable cost equal to variable cost for 1 unit multiple with the unit can be produced by machine for 1 month multiple with the 12 month. The variable cost will become the 772,200. After that, the total cost, which is the addition of fixed cost and the variable cost, will become 1,048,000. So, for the estimation of total cost per unit, will become the total cost per unit equal to total cost divided by unit can be produced in a year. So the value will become 1,048,000 divided by 6,000 pieces multiple with the 12 month, and the total cost per unit will become 9.70.
Thank you, Najmi, for the estimation of total cost per unit for our product. So, without further ado, let us continue with the determination of sale price, break-even, and profit margin. So, for the selling price, we agree to sell our product at 20 ringgit per unit, which is affordable with the product quality and also the material we are using. So, it is a very win-win situation. So, for the break-even, which is the cost that we need to target to get the total of expenses that we are using to create this product. So we need to sell about 21,464 units per year. And the profit margin, so as we all agreed to sell the face shield, 1 unit for 20 ringgit. So we get a total revenue for 2,160,000 ringgit. And so for the profit, we minus with the total cost and we got 1,112,000 ringgit profit per year. Now we have to take a look on application of business fund. As we all know, business fund is an amount of money that is dedicated to financing a business activity. So for our company, we need to produce about 9,000 units of face shield per month. So it is very difficult for us not to having a machine in order to achieve the target. So we decided to buy a machine, that is the Intec FB8000 Pro machine, in order to increase the productivity and also achieving the target. So this is the total expenses that we are calculating. So for our company to start up the business for a year is about 1,118,494 ringgit, 57 cents per year. So this is the cash flow. So basically 1,200,000 ringgit is the total loan that we need to make in order to start up the business. So this is the calculation for the total debt of F that we need to pay back the bank after making the loan. So that is also including the interest of 5%. So after calculating, we got about 1,431,200 ringgit to pay back the bank.
For the financial plan, which is from the task group, the determination of monthly installment by using the application of A, P or AF. In this case, the application of A over F is used to calculate the monthly installment. The total debt required to pay the bank in this case is 1.2 million with a loan interest of 5% for a loan period of 5 years. The calculation for monthly installment is shown as in the slide. The calculation of monthly installment is using the formula A equal to F multiplied with the A over F, interest and number of years. After we put the value from the interest table, the value of A over F 5% at 5 years is equal to 0.1810. The debt we will multiply with the 1.2 million and we will get 217,200 per year. Because of per year, we will divide with the 12 months and we will get the value for each month, which is 18,100. As we can see, the figure show a cash flow for monthly installment.
For the evaluation of probability, the present world PW is found by discounting all cash inflows and outflows to the present time at an interest rate that is generally the MARR. The positive PW for the investment project means that the project is acceptable. It satisfies the MARR. From this table, for the initial cost, we choose based on the loan. Loan that we choose is 1,200,000, 1.2 million. For annual revenue, A1, 4 ringgit and 35 cents is the cost of the face shield. Cost one face shield, multiplied by 30 and multiplied by 12. The value is 1,566. For A2, annual maintenance expenses, 12,000 is for the maintenance and 3,000 is the for worker salary, technician 1, technician 2. This is utility bill. For the salvage value is 100. We choose the maximum life is 5 years. This is the cash flow. PO is 1.2 million. So we want to calculate the PW. This is the A1, A2 and salvage value for 5 years. So PW, PO plus A1 plus A2. So the interest we choose is 5%. %. After we calculate, we use this from the graph, from the table, and the value after we calculate is positive, so the PW is accepted and we can use this PW. So that's all for me. Thank you.
In conclusion, as a team, we had completed the product cost and profit analysis, which is a successful analysis that had been made, because after making the calculation and also about the total cost, which is about 1,048,000, we also calculate the estimated profit per year, which is about 1,112,000 ringgit. So at the end, after calculate the present worth, so we get the result which is greater than 0. So the investment for this business, which is the face shield business, is very profitable for us as a company. In order to sell this product, we get the value, we contribute the value to the customer, and also we get back the profit for our company. I think that's all. Thank you.